In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can withdraw Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Now this works on Android and iPhone. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, is to open the app inside your phone. Okay, so after you open that, as you can see, guys, I have made a video before about this topic, specifically about how you can withdraw money, like how you can withdraw Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Yeah, we just made it 3 weeks ago and it helped a lot of people, but the problem is not all people are using iPhones. Okay, there are some people who are using Android, and yeah, now that's why I made this video. This will work for everyone, so all you have to do, guys, is watch this video till the end and you will be able, guys, to withdraw Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Now keep in mind that you need some thing before you can withdraw like Sweatcoin money to PayPal. That's what I'm about to show you right now. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to the app. You want to open the app inside your phone. As you can see, it says here, invite your friends and win big. Now I'm just going to click X. I'm going to remove this. Now if you want to withdraw money, you want to click on balance in the top right. So currently I don't have any balance because I opened this inside my laptop. I don't have like the recording app inside my phone, so just click on balance in the top right, and here you want to click on this. As you can see, this market or this store at the bottom, as you can see, you want to click on it. Now after you click on it, guys, you want to find PayPal here in this section. As you can see, it says here physical offers. Now this means you can convert your Sweatcoin balance into products. What I mean by that is, if you have, for example, $10, then you can find products that worth your balance and you can just buy them and they will deliver the products to your house. Okay, just like you buy something on Amazon or eBay. So you just want to find a product here. For example, if you have $5, you want to click, for example, of a product, and you just want to click on, yeah, you just want to buy it. Okay, and it will be delivered to you directly to your house. Now as you can see, there are a lot of different offers here. Every day they have different offers. Now you just want to find PayPal here. Okay, so I know that a lot of people they are not going to find PayPal here. Okay, now if you can't find PayPal here, there are other things you can do with this money. For example, you can click donate in the top right and you can donate this money to charity. You can just choose a charity from your choice, and then you can donate this money to charity. But if you want to withdraw it to PayPal, what you need to do, guys, is you want to click on here and then you want to click on your profile, like here, home button, and then you want to click your profile in the top right, and then you want to click this gear in the top right, and then you want to click on help, and you want to click on other common, and you want to click on can I cash out my Sweatcoins to PayPal. It says here at the moment it's not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank transfer, but it says here PayPal and Amazon are featured regularly, especially if you are inviting loads of friends. So this means what I have found is, as you can see, it says here, if you have Sweatcoin, you will need a high balance to be able to use PayPal. But if you can refer at least 100 people, you can turn that into $100 PayPal gift card. So, but here it says especially PayPal and Amazon are features regularly, especially if you are inviting loads of friends. So if you want to withdraw to PayPal, you will need to refer, or you will need to invite a lot of friends. So from my experience, you will have to invite 20 people and you will be able to see the PayPal where you can just withdraw the PayPal here. As you can see, let me go back. Okay, and here you will be able, guys, to see PayPal here. If you click on this store, if you just scroll down, you will be able to find PayPal. Okay, so that's what I have found. You want to click on shop, by the way, and then you will find here the PayPal, like where you can withdraw. It's the PayPal company, so that you can withdraw the money to PayPal. Okay, or you can buy PayPal gift card, and you can use that gift card on a lot of websites like Amazon and eBay and AliExpress. You can use that gift card to buy products from your choice. Okay, so like I said, guys, you will need to invite 20 people so that you can withdraw the money to PayPal. You will find here PayPal, and then you can withdraw the money. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.